This is a quick tip video on how to paint black gemstones quickly and easily. Mine here are tinted green, so they pop out nicely on this particular model, but the same technique can be used for any colour gemstones, blue, red, purple, whatever looks good on your project. Right, let's get into it. Hi, quick video for you. How I do gemstones on Eldar vehicles and even models, infantry models. There's a few ways to do them. I've seen a lot of people, they tend to do lots of layers, slowly getting stronger towards the bottom and a highlight at the top. But I like to do mine like black gemstones. So I just do a small area around the bottom, a thin line, green, and then it goes to all the way up to a yellow in the middle of it, and then just a white bit at the top, highlight, and then just cover it all in a gloss varnish, and it really looks good on the battlefield. So nice and easy and quick, which is the way I like things. So I've got 3 here to show you how I do it. So I painted these black with the Abaddon black. So next I'm going to put some greens. So I'll use Warboss green. It's the best one I've got really. I could do with a base paint, to be honest, but this is all I've got. They go down a little better really, the base ones, opposed to the layer paints. So load that on the brush. And then from roughly about halfway up on one side, start doing a line and then go around the bottom like that, like a little tick or something. This one, roughly about halfway up, all it down and around the bottom. There we go, a little bit more paint. First one takes a couple of coats. There we go, that's that one done. On to the next colour, which is Scorpion Green, a ye old Games Workshop one I've got that I rescued from a pot. It was like plasticine when I opened it back up, but I've managed to rescue it by putting water in. It's a great paint, it smells like old school Games Workshop paints. The equivalent one nowadays, I think it's called Moot Green, I think. So let's smell that. Brush. I'm using a fine brush, a Zero brush this is, from Windsor and Newton 7 series. Or if one of the Citadel ones will be just fine. And then what I do is a smaller line now, so just within that one. So start a little bit down from where we started before, and then back and forth and concentrate towards the bottom corner there. There we go. Looking good. Wash the brush off. And then I go to Avalanche Sunset, Citadel. small amount of this. And then right in the corner, I do a small highlighted bit. Like that. That's that done. And the last little stage is just a little white highlight, and it really completes the look. Just put some white score. Any white paint will do, pure white. And then just in the opposite corner, do a smaller version of what we've done the other side. Slightly curved highlight. There we go, all done. All done, nice and easy and quick. Now I'll just give that a coat of gloss varnish and it'll look just like the rest. Happy days. And there we go, nice easy method for doing realistic looking dark gemstones. Try it yourself. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.